Okay, this cucumber vine is crazy, and I felt it necessary to do a measurement on these leaves. I think this is the largest one. So let's see here. There we go. Okay, that's about 11 inches. It looks like 11 inches long by roughly 9 inches wide, and that's rough. But yeah, that's crazy. And this is 8 by 9. It looks like on that one. Yeah, this one is the biggest one up here. But I'm not sure I've ever seen anything like this before, and it's only in this area where it's going up in the air. So I'm wondering about how this suspension thing works. Running along the ground, you can see they look great, but they don't get anywhere near that kind of size. But as soon as you get over here, it's like they just go Super Saiyan on it. And look at that, it's crazy. Alright, so on to other stuff. These tomatoes over here, doing pretty good. Buds not really doing as much as I'd hoped, but everything seems pretty strong. There the beans are coming along, not bad. Alright, and this is interesting. I actually didn't notice this. This is the callaloo here that I moved over to the soil. These are not happening over on the other plant as far as I remember, but it has gotten bigger. Quite a few more leaves too. That was the smallest, most undeveloped one in the whole pot, if I remember correctly, and I did pluck it out rather harshly, so it had to regrow its root system. Oh yeah, this guy out here now starting to get a little bud there. Right there. But the leaves are looking a little weird, curling up here and there and whatnot. Although the stalk, very thick, very healthy looking, nice stuff. This guy I've got strapped up here is coming out pretty nice. See how that goes. Alright, here are the 2 sweet peppers that didn't think they were going to make it, and we've got one up here coming out. The leaves are doing weird things at the top where they have the slimy, silky stuff that I think is the snails or whatever. But it's still growing, so here's hoping for the best on that. And our broccoli. This is the 2-in-1 pot. Let me see if I can get a shot there. It's just a tad moist, but probably could use a little bit more water. Although the sun is no longer shining in this area, and it usually rains at night, so I'll probably leave it like that till tomorrow morning. Carrots are here, looking pretty good. Let's see if I can. A lot of algae growth in there though. Let's see if I could get a. There we go. Bit better lighting, or lack of lighting, helping the camera to see it. You can see the roots in there, but can't see any developing carrot yet. Oh well. It's probably going to be a while before that happens anyway. Let's see. Alright, here's our single one doing the best. It was planted at the same time as the doubles. Just a tad, couple drops of water here. And this is our runt that we transferred from the, I think it was in the hydroponic system, yeah, and it was turning yellow. We brought it over into the soil to see what would happen. Here's our, yeah, let's take that off. Right. I'm going to have to prune that a little later too. Anyway, the lower leaves are still a bit yellowish, but the new upper green ones, sorry, the new upper ones are green. Brain not syncing with the mouth as usual. Gotta take this off too. Yeah, this one is definitely a lot more moist. Don't need to do anything there. Okay, pak choi. Observation, leaves are yellowish near the bottom, and it seems to be starting to happen closer up to the top of them. Yeah, yellowish going orange, I don't know. Probably not a good sign. This is our weird experiment here, based on the trash bin cucumber hydroponic type setup. So our mini trash can with the cucumber growing out of it. See if we can get a shot down in there. Oh man, don't know if you can see that. Anyway, the root systems in there are pretty healthy. I can't quite get it out. Let's see if it'll show up on camera now. Ah, damn. Anyway, it looks like how it's supposed to look. When I look at the other hydroponic video that people put up, and they show you the healthy looking root system, it's all fluffy, white, fuzzy, plenty of root strands all over inside of there. So even without the bubbler, it seems that this is pretty good. You've got some deficiency signs here. Not sure, we'll have to go research that, but I'll probably just add some generic 20-20-20 to that, and see what happens. A little pinch of micronutrients maybe. Callaloo here, looking pretty good. You can see there's no spots, like how the, well, not the small ones. They do have weird things, but definitely nothing like the one in the soil over there that we saw earlier. Okay, here is our original hatcher. This is where the 3 of these plants were hatched, and this is the only guy that was not transferred, so he's got a head start, pushing up very quickly on all fronts. Looking pretty healthy. The leaves are looking a bit different from what I see normally, but I don't know. Same here, this was transferred from there into soil, so you can see the difference between a non-transfer here and the transfer here. It's further behind since the roots had to rebuild inside the soil. And of course, hydroponics. I gotta figure out some way to hatch it in the hydroponic system perhaps. Then there wouldn't be any shock transferring over, I don't know, whatever. But I also have to figure out the correct ratios and what to add and so on and so forth, but I'll get there. The lettuce is looking good. Oh yeah. Very nice indeed. Let's see if that's still moist. Nope, that's dry as a bone. Gonna definitely have to add to that. This is a sweet pepper I brought out early. You can see the wind has really got it falling over there, but I'm hoping it'll strengthen up and stand up later on. That's still moist as it should be. Not a whole lot of demand from such a small sapling. This is one of the, this lettuce I think was a week behind these.
something like that. This one, I can't remember what this one was going on with, but it was a different type. This was the salad, I think it was. Salad mix is what it said on the thing. And this one is another week behind this guy. I was trying to space them out by weeks so that I could have at least one head of lettuce per week when I start harvesting. Yeah, I think that's it. Alright, 10.5 minutes, good. Over and out.